Many videos are going viral on YouTube, and since the rise of AI, hundreds of AI niches have emerged. I've discovered one niche where you can create viral videos completely free, and that niche is car transformation videos. These short videos are getting millions of views on YouTube. For example, one channel has only 23 uploads, 118,000 subscribers, and over 80 million total views, with its most popular video reaching 53 million views, while nearly every other video gets millions of views as well. The content is simple car transformations, automotive evolution, and futuristic vehicle morphing, yet every upload performs extremely well. This isn't just one channel, there are several other channels doing the same thing, and getting millions of views with similar transformation videos. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to create these types of videos step by step using a 100% free AI tool without spending any money at all. So to make such a video, first of all, I will provide you with some prompts and a Google Doc. You have to access these prompts. The link will be in the description below. You need to click on that link. A Google Doc will open. Here you will find the prompts. First, you must copy the first prompt. After copying, you go to ChatGPT and paste this prompt into ChatGPT and click the Generate button. ChatGPT will then create 4 new prompts for you. We will use these prompts to first generate the background, which will be the background for our video. So it gives you 4 prompts for different locations. You can easily generate an image by copying any one of them. First, you copy any of these 4 prompts from here. I will copy a random prompt from these 4 for image generation. For image generation, we are going to use a free AI tool called Pippit AI. You can generate images for free on this website. If you click the link in the description, sign up and log in, you will get 400 free credits that can be used to create unlimited images. After signing up and logging in with your Google account, the main interface will open. Here you will see 2 options, video and image. You need to click on the image option. Next, copy any random prompt from the 4 prompts generated by ChatGPT and paste it into Pippit AI. Then, select the aspect ratio of 9:16, which works best for short videos. After that, choose the image quality, 2K or 4K, and then select the Nano Banana model for generation. After that, you have to click on this arrow button. A main interface like this will open in front of you. Here, your image will start being generated. Then, in 30 to 40 seconds, your image will appear in front of you, just like this. So first of all, if your image is not good, you can easily regenerate it by clicking the Try Again button. I have regenerated this image 2 or 3 times, so I have gotten good results. If you do not like this location, you can copy and paste the remaining 3 prompts from ChatGPT and easily generate a new image. You can proceed with whichever one you like. Once your image is ready, simply click on the Download button. Select the PNG format, and under the watermark section, choose Without Watermark so that Pippit AI does not add a watermark to your image. After that, click Download, and your image will be saved to your device with just 1 click. The next step is to generate the images of the cars. First, go back to the Google Docs link I provided earlier and copy the complete prompt in the second section. Then, return to ChatGPT and open the same chat where we generated the background image. Paste the prompt there and click Generate. ChatGPT will provide a list of vehicle names and models. You will see 10 to 12 options, and you can pick any model you like. I will choose a random vehicle model for this example. After selecting a model, copy it, paste it back into the chat box, and click Generate again. As soon as you copy and paste the car model name and click Generate, ChatGPT will start creating an image prompt for you. It will generate 2 sections. The first section shows the vehicle model name, along with the years it was produced or used. The second section creates a detailed image prompt based on that vehicle model, which you can use to generate the image. So now you have both the car's model name and production years, as well as the corresponding image prompt. Using these prompts, it's very simple to generate images of the cars for your video. So you have to copy the first prompt that ChatGPT has given you. After copying it, you have to return to the Pippit AI website. After that, you have to upload the first image that you generated, the image of your location. You do this by clicking on the plus icon here on the image canvas. After uploading, you have to paste the image prompt that ChatGPT just gave us into the prompt box. After pasting, you have to go back to the Google Doc. Here, the fourth prompt will be a short prompt. You have to copy it. After copying, you have to return to Pippit AI again. At the beginning of the existing prompt, you have to paste this short prompt that you copied from the Google Doc. Then you click the Generate button. Make sure the settings remain the same. The aspect ratio should be 9:16. Once confirmed, clicking the Generate button will start preparing your image. So your image will start getting ready. Within 30 to 40 seconds, your image will be completely ready. Look closely, our image is ready. Now you have to go back to ChatGPT and copy your next prompt. After copying the prompt for the second image, you have to go back to Pippit AI. Once at Pippit AI, you have to click on the simple Upload button. You upload your background image with the location again. After uploading, you paste the second prompt that we just copied from ChatGPT here. Then you click on the Generate button again. Your next image will also start getting ready. So you have to repeat this step. First, you copy your next prompt from ChatGPT. After copying, you upload your background image again. After uploading it, you generate the new image. You do this in the same way for every prompt ChatGPT gives you. I quickly go to ChatGPT again. When my next image is ready, I return to ChatGPT and copy the following prompt. Then I go back to Pippit AI. There, I upload my background image once more and paste the new ChatGPT prompt. After pasting, I click the Generate button. You will continue this until all of your images are ready. You must repeat this step for every prompt you have. You keep repeating it until an image is generated for each one. When all your images are ready, you simply have to click on the Download button. Here, you have to choose the PNG format. In the watermark section, select the option labeled Without Pippit Watermark, and then click the Download button. So, one by one, you have to download all the images you have generated. I will now quickly download all of my images. So the next step is we will convert these images into proper videos, just like the other car transformation channels are making videos. For this, we are going to use a free AI tool called Flow AI. You have to go to the simple Flow AI website. I am also using the free plan. Here, you have to sign up and log in. After signing up and logging in, you will get 100 credits per month for free. With the help of these credits, you can make 5 videos free of cost. After signing up and logging in, you have to click on New Project. Here, you will see a main interface like this. Here, the option for text to video will be shown. You have to click on it. Then, you have to choose the Frame to Video option. After choosing that, you have to click on the plus icon. Here, you will click on the Upload button and upload the images you downloaded. A pop-up like this will appear. Here, you have to select the aspect ratio. Choose the 9:16 aspect ratio. After choosing, click the Crop and Save button. Your first image will be uploaded here. After that, you have to click on the next plus icon again and upload your next image in the same way. I have uploaded 2 images here. After uploading, you have to paste a prompt here. So, where do you get the prompt? You have to go to the Google Doc. There, you simply copy the last prompt. This will be the transition prompt. You copy it, go back to Flow AI and paste it into the prompt box. Make sure your images have already been uploaded. So after you paste the prompt, click on the Settings button. Select the number of videos as 1. Here, the model is VEO3. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9. Once all your settings are done, click on the Generate button and your video will start creating. In 20 to 30 seconds, your video will be ready. You can play it and see that it looks just like the transformation videos from other channels. To continue, go back to the prompt box and click the plus icon to upload the next set of images. First, upload image number 3, then click the plus icon again and upload image number 4. After uploading these images, paste the same transition prompt you copied from Google Docs and click Generate again. Your next video will be created in the same way. Repeat this process for all remaining images to complete your full video. Once all your videos are ready, click on the Download button and select Download with Original Quality. Your videos will then be saved to your device. The next step is to edit the videos and combine them into a complete final video. For this, we will use CapCut. Open CapCut and click on Create Project. The main editing interface of CapCut will then open in front of you, ready for you to start combining and editing your videos. So you have to click on the Import button here. No matter how many videos you have generated with Flow AI, you have to import them all here. After importing, you have to bring the first video to your timeline. Then you add the second video and then the third video. In the same way, you have to arrange all your videos on the timeline in the proper order. After bringing them to the timeline, the next step is that we will apply text to our video. To apply text, you have to click on the text button in the top corner. Here, a box of default text will appear. You have to click on it. It will be added to your timeline. Then, you have to click on the text that now appears on the timeline. On the right side, you can edit your text here. So, what text should be applied here? You have to go back to ChatGPT. There, you can simply take the model names that ChatGPT gave you. You have to copy the model name of the vehicle from the same chat where ChatGPT gave you the information earlier. After copying the model name, you paste the model name here and your text will be applied. There are many options below to edit the text. You can change the font, change the color, and easily customize your text in one click. Similarly, copy the model name of your next vehicle from ChatGPT and add it as text in CapCut. Continue this process for all the vehicles, pasting each model name onto the corresponding image in your video. Make sure to adjust the font and color for each text so that your video looks polished and visually appealing. Once all text is added, your video is essentially ready. If you want to enhance it further, you can add transitions by clicking the transition button. A variety of transitions will appear and you can apply any of them to your clips. When you're satisfied with your edits, click on the export button and your video will be saved to your device. You can then preview the final video and it will be ready to share.